My name is Saktivel. I am currently pursuing electrical and electronics engineering in K.S. Rangasamy College of Technology. We are going to see the topic on automatic door locking system. Our subject code is 60EE 5P2 Special Applications Laboratory.
Now we're going to see about our project. Our project it mainly used for homes and automated areas like industries and malls, etc. Our we can choose this project mainly for homes. In homes, the older or younger people they cannot open the door physically. They get risk to open the door. Um, Then we find out the problem. Then we execute this project for homes mainly.
Now we going to see the project components. We using Arduino UNO and touch sensor and a servo motor.
The Arduino UNO, it can inbuiltly form the code and run the process easily and execute our project.
Now the servo motor helps us to rotate the door by without physical. The servo motor act with the potentiometer inside with it and also having the uh, a motion sensor with it. While we give the triggering signal to the servo motor, it rotates with the angular position like uh, like the degree wise, 120 degree or 90 degree likewise. Um, the degree will be coded in the UNO. Likewise, the servo motor will work.
The touch sensor detects physically or pressure. In touch sensor, inbuiltly capacitance are used. It can capacitance that can charge mainly when we touch it, the capacitance discharge and send the right signal to the processor Arduino UNO. The Arduino UNO they get the analog signal and it converts the digital and process entire into the code and the output is sent to the servo motor.
The servo motor receives the digital signal from the processor and it converts into analog signal by rotating motion by using that potentiometer and motion sensor. Now we're going to demonstrate the project. This is our project. Now while we touches the sensor, it opens the door, and now again we touches the sensor, it closes the door. It helps the disabled ability and also for the older peoples. It will help all the peoples in the malls and in industries with bigger doors, likewise, etc. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank
Thank
you.
you.